Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through creating a sales pipeline in HubSpot, perfect for beginners who want to manage their sales opportunities efficiently. A well-structured sales pipeline not only keeps your deals organized, but also ensures you never miss an opportunity to close a sale. To start, open your web browser and go to HubSpot.com. Click on the Sign In button at the top right to access your HubSpot dashboard. This dashboard is your central hub where all your sales, marketing, and CRM tools are located. So take a moment to explore if it's your first time. Once you're in, look for the plus icon on your screen. This is where you can create new elements in HubSpot. From the menu that appears, select Deal. Deals are the backbone of your sales pipeline. They represent potential revenue and allow you to track interactions with both prospects and existing clients. After selecting Deal, it's time to enter the details. Start with a clear deal name, ideally including the client or project name. Next, enter the expected amount, which represents the potential revenue from this deal. Then set a close date, which is your target for finalizing the sale. Filling in these details accurately ensures your pipeline stays precise and useful for forecasting and analysis. Once your first deal is added, you can continue adding more deals to different stages of your pipeline. HubSpot allows you to customize each stage, such as prospecting, qualified, proposal, and closed. Drag and drop your deals between stages as they progress. This makes it easy to visualize your sales flow and identify where each opportunity stands. Remember, a sales pipeline is not just a static tool. Regularly updating each deal, adding notes, and tracking communications will help you keep it accurate and effective. The more consistently you maintain your pipeline, the easier it is to forecast revenue and plan your next steps. And that's it. With these steps, you now have a fully functional sales pipeline in HubSpot. Keep refining it, track each stage of your deals, and you'll notice a significant improvement in your sales workflow. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical HubSpot tutorials and tips.